Hello everyone, welcome to Bake Butter and Bites. In today's video, I'm going to share a perfect and very simple chocolate chip cookie recipe, which is my all-time favorite. Let's begin. In a mixing bowl, add in butter and melt it in a microwave for 40 to 50 seconds. You don't want to heat the butter a lot. Now you're gonna add a white sugar and brown sugar to the butter and mix well. You wanna make a gooey thick mixture out of it. All the sugars should be dissolved completely. Now here is one important thing. You have to take a combination of white and brown sugar to get a perfect thick and crunchy chewy chocolate chip cookie. The white sugar is going to provide the crunchiness to the cookie, and brown sugar is very important to provide the moisture and the softness to the cookie. Now add an egg to it and mix well. After mixing well, we are going to add all the dry ingredients, vanilla extract and chocolate chunks to it and mix well to get a thick consistency of the mixture. Here you have to take care of three things. The first thing is your butter should be at the right temperature. It should not be too hot. The sugar ratio should be perfect to get the perfect amount of gooiness, crunchiness and brown color outside of the cookie. Third very important thing here is amount of the chocolate chunks as well as the percentage of the chocolate chunks you are using. Here I have used 45% dark chocolate. You can use 65% dark chocolate. You can use even higher concentration of the chocolate chunks. It all depends on you. It will change the texture a little bit. Depends on what kind of chocolate you are using. You can also use the semi-sweet chocolate or even the chocolate chips to it, but I prefer adding chocolate chunks to it, which gives a right amount of the gooiness inside the cookie. You can also increase or decrease the amount of chocolate chunks you are going to add in your cookies. It all depends on you. You can see the cookie dough is ready, but it is too soft to make the balls out of it. So we are going to cover the bowl with the cling wrap and freeze it for 30 to 35 minutes so that we can easily shape the cookies out of it. You can make cookie balls small, large, as you desire. I have here used 1/8 cup of measurement for each cookie, and that's how it has yielded me like 12 equal size cookie, but there is no strict rule to it. Go for whatever size you want. You can even make smaller than this, you can make larger than this, and bake these cookies at 350 degrees centigrade for roughly around 12 to 15 minutes. What you are looking here is your center should be still gooey when you are touching the cookie, but the outer side should be little crunchy, and brown edges to the cookie is a perfect sign that your cookies are all ready. For even better result, put the cookies in the freezer overnight and then bake them next day. It will enhances the flavor amazingly. These cookie balls freezes very well up to 1 month in the freezer. So if you don't want to bake all them together, you can cover them in a cling film and put it in the freezer for up to 1 month and bake whenever you want it. The perfect crunchy, chewy chocolate chip cookie with little hint of coffee is ready to eat. Store them in an airtight container and enjoy the yummy, delicious chocolate chip cookie.